Hello friends. So in this video we'll check how to use the radio button and checkbox in C Sharp, Windows application and backend is an SQL Server. So how we can insert the data. Okay. So we have one form that is contains the student details, that contains name and gender. So you can see here we can put some name, John, Thomas, and here we can see in the radio, but in gender we can select any of them. Okay, we cannot to select both, we can select only one. So here we can select male and is active, the student is currently active or not. We can click this, then we will save this. Okay, so students added successfully message will come, and click on OK. It will clear that form. Now we will execute this student. See, it will insert the data, the gender, that will come male, is active, that is active means that is tick means it will come 1. It is not ticked, then it will store 0 only. So how we can achieve this using C Sharp, Windows application and backend is an SQL Server. So open Visual Studio 2022. Create new project, Windows format, next, Windows format, so name it radio and checkbox, next, create. So form is loaded now. Go to GroupBox. We need one label, text box. Here we can use one GroupBox also, then GroupBox. Okay, then we need a button and one checkbox also. Okay, GroupBox just change it to student details. This we can cut and paste inside this group. So we can just give name. That was one is text name. Next we want gender. Name this gender. Just cut this, paste here. And radio button, change to female. Copy this, paste here. Radio button 2, that is made. Okay. Then one checkbox. Student is active or not. So we can tell like this. Is active. And we need one button. So okay. We are not too much considered for design. Okay. So your button like save only. We need to save these details to database and copy this and paste here. This is what just clear. Okay. So this button is BTN clear, BTN clear, and this is BTN save. Okay. Okay. We'll run this. See, we can access any of this radio button. Okay. You cannot to access both of them. Okay. Is active, we can click and we can uncheck also. So we need to store these details to DB. Okay. So first we want to create one database, one table for that. Okay. So go to SQL Server, free code in DB. We need to create new table, that is ID int. Set to primary key and ID is auto increment only. Is identity, that is yes. Name worker of 50. Gender worker of 10. Next is active. It is like a true or false only. So we can tell bit 0 on 1. That only we need to save. Okay. Save this student. Click OK. So take a creator now. Select star from student. Now we can go to Shastria, go to V code, You can import package tools, and you get package manager. Browse for SQL. Microsoft Data.SQL client. Select that. Just install. Connection string is equal to views server explorer, add connection. You can use your server name, mandatory, that is optional. Select the database, free code in DB, advanced. Select the data source, this connection string. Just paste here. Remove the double quote, okay, double slash. Okay. So next, SQL connection. CON. Okay. Now just clear button, we can clear that all datas. So text name dot text is equal to string dot empty. This we can call in one method. Okay, that's it. Private void clear. So cut this, paste here. First, we need to select any one of this radio button. Okay, so we can tell like a radio button one dot checked equal to true, and in checkbox dot checked. That in the first time we need to enter like false only. So just clear this. In form load also we can call this. Go to forms, go to events. In load we can call this clear. Okay. Now we will run this. See, it is name and gender, that is female is selected now. Okay, we can change that like this. Okay, and is active, that is checked is false only. We click, then check record. Okay, so save time, we need to save this data. Okay, so clear time, it will clear this. See, it is cleared. Okay. So here we can use using con is equal to new SQL connection. You need to pass connection string. That is constr. Then con.open SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. Here we can pass the query. So we need like a string str query that is equal to insert into student or students student, okay, right? Yes. Name, gender, active values, single code, double code, plus text, name dot text, right? Next we want the gender. Okay, so when we select a female, then we need gender name is female. We will select male, then we need gender name is male. Okay, so in this case we can declare one more variable here, string gender. Okay, so radio button, we can check is changed. Then what we can do, gender equal to, we can tell this is female, right? Female. If radio button dot check equal to true, then gender equal to female. Same thing in radio button 2 also. Radio button checked equal to true, then gender equal to male. Okay, then in this query we can use that variable. Gender and is active means that is checkbox. Okay, so in button click we can check So here we are using bit only, right? So it is 0 or 1 only. So you can tell like is active equal to, here we can use the ternary operator like that. Checkbox 1 dot checked. As it is checked, then 1. Otherwise, see, then we can pass this value here in our query. Double code plus plus is active. Okay. Then we can pass new SQL command, this query, still query, comma, connection, COM. Then cmd dot execute non-code. And in the message box dot show student added successfully. Then we will run this. Okay, expected. Semicolon here. Run this. So name is Sarah Thomas. That is female. Is active is true. Then we'll save this. Student added successfully. Go to SQL Server. Select the star from student. See, one Sarah Thomas female is active is equal to true. Then, okay, after adding, we need to clear this. Okay, you can just click this, then data cleared now. Arjun Prasad, male is active is false. We are not clicking here. Okay, then we will save this. Student added successfully to Arjun Prasad, that's male, is active is equal to 0. Okay, we need to just call this clear also here. And you want to debug, then put breakpoint here. So put breakpoint and run this. Abhishek Kumar, male, is active. Then click on save. Okay, so is checkbox that is checked. So you will get is active is equal to 1, and in the insert query text name gender is equal to male, is active is equal to 1. Okay, can execute this query. Student added successfully. Okay, then it will clear all data. Okay, okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, then please subscribe. If you want to check the CRUD operations, we have already uploaded that video. You can check out that also. Okay, thanks for watching.